Hey friends, this is Asif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. In today's video, I want to show you some major support and resistance levels in the long term, and we will also take a look at this long down channel. And I also want to show you a bullish divergence that has appeared on the daily time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And I'm also covering the different altcoins which are possibly going to start big bullish reversal moves after this big market crash by forming different bullish reversal setups. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that Verasity is moving between the resistance and support of 3.4 cents to 7.4 cents. And these are, by the way, major support and resistance levels. The long-term support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame chart. There can be some other support and resistance levels in the short term, but I'm just going to show you some major support and resistance levels. And you can see previously when we had this rally that was started here back in November 2020, for almost 3 weeks or 2 weeks, this level has been breaking as a resistance that we have here at 3.4 cents. And when we had this drop, then we had this level at $0.0074 as a support. And you can see that we had a very big bounce from here. And when again price line dropped here, then for a while we had a short bounce from here. Let me to show you this bounce on 9th of May on the daily time frame chart. And you can see when on 9th of May, we dropped at this support of $0.0074. Then for a while, it worked as a support, but finally we broke it down. And after this breakdown, we retested the previous resistance, support as a resistance, and confirmed this breakdown. And now we are moving down to the next support at $0.0034. But here we have another support that I am going to show you on the next chart, that will not let the price line to drop at this support. This is the same daily time frame chart, and you can see that we are reached the resistance of this down channel. The formation of the channel was started here back on 25th of March, and we have several rejections, several touch points here at the resistance. Then we again drop here, and again drop here. Now for the past several days, it is again testing the same resistance and not able to break out so far, even after several attempts. Now, if we take a look at this RSI oscillator with the combination of this down channel and the movement of the price line that is very close to the resistance, even at the resistance of this down channel, then we can see price line has formed a lower than previous low. You can see if I place a trend line here, then you can see that this low is lower than previous low. Here we have the value. You can watch the low value here that is at $4.64, $0046. And here we have the lowest value at $0.0045. So this is lower than previous low. But if we take a look at this oscillator RSI, it is forming higher low than previous low, and we are at the resistance of this down channel. And we are also having this bullish divergence flashed on the chart that is a signal that we can break out this resistance of the down channel. And while we are moving at this resistance of the channel, at the same time, it has also found another support. You can see that we have a bounce here, we have another bounce here, we have another bounce here. I'm just going to connect all these touch points. And now we are having some accumulation here. And this is the recent resistance. You can see that we have several touch points here. Then a rejection here, a rejection here, a rejection here, another rejection here. And if we connect all these rejection points, then here Verasity has formed another falling wedge pattern while moving inside this down channel. For a while, I'm just going to remove the trend lines of the channel. Then you can see that it has formed a perfect falling wedge pattern. Now, if it will break out the resistance of this wedge, the target of the wedge is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $0.0095, very close to 1 cent. That is indicating that after breaking out this wedge, we can also break out the channel. Obviously, we have both resistance at the same time, at the same place almost. And the target for this bigger down channel can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 3 cents. and right now we are moving at less than half cents, and you can see that we are also having a bullish divergence on this daily time frame chart as well. Therefore, next few hours or days are really very important for Verasity. It is possible that after breaking out this channel for a while, because you can see it is slightly above this resistance of the channel, this resistance of the wedge, it will move with this resistance of the wedge, and then it will break out. We have a bullish divergence, we have a falling wedge pattern that is a bullish bias pattern, and we are also having a nice support of the falling wedge that is topping, not letting the price line to drop again at this support of the down channel. So we need to keep an eye on this support of the wedge and also these two support resistance levels to be broken out. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.